Okay, we're in the attic above the garage, and I'm going down spiral staircase. Loving it. Backyard. Deck, kitchen. How cool is this? A little. Garage. Yoga studio. Okay, get ready. There's the door. Dining room.
Get out of here.
You're fine. I don't know. Sorry. Bath. Kitchen. Oh, you're okay. Thanks. You out the back window? He's kind of hunkered down here right now. Nice little wood burner. Oops, sorry.
Did you do the basement?
Not yet.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Haven't even been down there yet. Cute little window. Okay. Gonna get another shot of that light. Solid. Okay. Closet. Closet. Linen. Bedroom 1. These drawers are built right into the wall based on this right here, but again, oh, little flap. I'm going to save the bathroom for last because it's the funnest. Did you see the bathroom?
Oh yeah.
Loving it?
It cracks me up. I love it.
Oh, look at, there's mirrors. More, right, and the bed would probably be right here. Just saying. Again, look at, woo! Okay. So, little sitting area. Obviously wood stove. Could go here. Nice little sitting area. Okay, the bathroom. Tub. And then curved wall. And then sink. See again. Okay. Seeing that every mirror. Buffet. There's the door for that. Fun. Again. Hey. Smile. Okay, trucking down. Did you get to the basement yet?
No.
There's John.
Hi.
Hitting the basement. That needs work. Okay. Oh, geez, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Did you get me? You got me.
Okay.
Cute little entryway. Okay. Hi, who's there? So, basement. Oh, whoa, sorry.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I just opened the door too hard. It's dry. It's dry. Oh, I think you should buy it. It smells like Grandma and Grandpa's basement. Totally smells like Grandma and Grandpa's. Oh, it's probably because of the gas. Never mind. Which, I don't know, bodies and stuff in there. The bird seat is not for sale. And on the front door, so great rainy day. Cool. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but this is, yeah, you can kind of see it. It's bowed, which is very cool. Look at these old wood. Very cool setting. Here comes a car. See, nothing. Front door. Look at the front door. How cute is that? All right. It's going to take me 3 hours to upload this pic. So, all right. Stick me out.